Hey everybody, my name is Jerry Switek and I am a District Technology Specialist here in Citrus County, Florida. How many times have you had students want to write a document in Google Docs but just couldn't quite figure out how to make that proper MLA formatted document? I'm just going to take the 3 minutes today to show you how to properly format a Google Doc in MLA formatting. So this is going to be useful not only for you teachers, but also as a video that you can share with your students to show them how to go in and create that perfectly MLA formatted document. So I'm going to go in here to Google Docs. In the upper left-hand corner here, I'm going to create a new document, just a blank document, because I want to set my formatting prior to creating my document. One of the first items in proper MLA formatting is the margins. So let's go in and take a look at those margins. Now, where do we do that? Up here in the upper left-hand corner, we're going to click on File and choose Page Setup. Now here in Page Setup, as you know, proper MLA formatting is a 1-inch margin all the way around. Now, thankfully, Google Docs sets that 1-inch margin by default for all new documents. So we don't really have to do anything there, but I wanted you to see exactly where those are located. So another item that we need to change for properly MLA formatted papers is the font and the font size. So there's a couple of different places we can do that. The first place is right here in the toolbar. We can click on that toolbar, we can choose our font, and in this case we need it to be Times New Roman. And we can also change the font size by clicking on that toolbar and choosing 12-point font. So we've now just properly formatted our font. We can also do that here under the Format tab. Here under Font Size, we can increase or decrease the size of our font. So another item that we need to change inside of our Google Doc to make it a properly MLA formatted paper is the spacing between the lines. MLA formatting requires double-spaced papers. So I'm going to go up here to Format, going to choose Line Spacing, and then set that to double. But there's one more thing I need to do, because a properly MLA formatted paper also has a header with the name of the creator of the document, the last name of the creator, and the page number. So what we're going to do here is click under Insert and choose Header. And then we're going to set the justification to the right alignment. And over here, I'm going to put in my name. And then I'm also going to select Insert Page Number and choose the upper right. So now, if I scroll down here to page 2, you will see that my header is going to continue from page 1 right onto page 2 in proper MLA formatting. And that's how we take a default Google Doc and set it up for proper MLA formatting.